Okay. Okay. Hey guys. I've got a girlfriend and I'm a virgin, but no, maybe. So let's begin. It is Kubera in here, and I know I've been keeping a lot of you guys waiting for a little bit. It's been a long time coming. Hopefully the mic doesn't unplug. Trevor, Jose, technical master, Zoo. I can't pronounce your name. Sorry, Cristiano. Cristiano, thank you for coming in here. I told you the live stream would come out shortly. There was some technical difficulties with my life. So I took a flight from Mexico to Boston to not London, to Paris. They lost my luggage in Paris. I got my luggage today. I took some rest off. I'm here back in Warsaw. I'm flying out to the Bitcoin conference in Miami. That's what's going on. Okay. So crazy world 2018 is already here. It's the new year. Forget about that. Forget about Christmas. By the way, happy Christmas Eve or whatever, right? It's supposed to be like the 24th or Christmas something, but it's all about that money. It's all about that money. So yeah. It's definitely not going to crash. Kubera coin is yours. No, Kubera coin is not mine, but supposedly they got like $20 million or whatever. That isn't mine. It's Japanese. I can't read Japanese. I very well wish I could read Japanese. Kubera-san, konnichiwa, nigiri. I love sushi, but Bitcoin. I get off of my plane. Why did I even say that? Some of you guys were curious. I get off of my plane, right? And what the heck happens? I take I took 3 planes. One plane from Cancun to Boston. I check, coins are A-okay, okay? So I'm flying out Thursday. It's still Thursday, Boston. Coins are okay. Everything's fine. My portfolio's going up. You guys know, you guys saw that. I made a video about Tron. Tron went up. Tron was a good buy. It went from like 4. I bought it at like 3.9. It went from like 3.9. Some of you guys probably bought it at like 4.5, and you still could have profited at like 6.5. And it did get listed on exchange. Maybe it wasn't huge. It was supposedly the 6th largest exchange or something like that. Whatever. Who cares? It got listed. And I take a plane from Boston to Paris. Boom. What happens? I wake up from, well, I couldn't really sleep on the plane, but let's just imagine I did sleep on the plane. I get off of the plane. I don't have internet. I take a plane from Boston. Hold up. Are you munching chips? I hear myself. Okay. So I'm munching. No, I'm not munching on chips. I go from Paris to Warsaw. I get internet. I look, and I'm like, holy moly, everything is down 40%. Bitcoin crashes. Ethereum crashes. Everything crashes. Everything. All the charts are negative. So what's going on? What the heck is going on? All it takes is a couple of hours being on a plane ride. And you know what happened right before I got on my plane? I had around $2,500 worth of Steam dollars, right? Steam dollars are at $14. Steam is rising towards $4. It's like 3.5. Bitcoin's rising, whatever it was, like 18 grand. Bitcoin's peak was like 19.5 grand, something like that, right? And I converted my Steam dollars. I got them over to Bitrex, and all I wanted to do was sell my Steam dollars, right, in Bitrex. I couldn't do it in time. I had to get on a plane. I'm like, you know what? Please don't crash. Please don't crash, because I really want to sell these Steam dollars. Hopefully they get it for $15, and boom, it crashes. It's $9. And I'm like, wow, okay, of course. So what happens in a calm state of mind? Some people at this point, hold up, guys. We're getting to it. We're getting to it, okay? Some people flip. They get super emotional. They get super emotional, right? And they sell everything. Boom, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Monero, everything. It's sold. It's gone. You do not have it. You do not have it. You just sold everything. It is the worst nightmare. The Grinch is coming for Christmas, right? It's Christmas Eve. Hold up. My phone's blowing up right now. Headphone. Okay. Hi. Oh, wait, wrong thing. There we go. I got you. Munching on those chips. You said to take the headphones out. Okay. What was I talking about? Okay. So now that we have 112 people watching, I just wanted to say all of you guys are getting super emotional. And I could have sold all my cryptocurrencies. What camera? Wait, hold up. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. So a lot of people would have sold. I know this is looking interesting. A lot of people would have sold, okay? And I probably could have sold my Steam dollars. I probably could have sold my Steam, my Tron, my Bitcoin, my Ethereum, my Neo, my EOS, my Litecoin, my whatever else. I can't remember. I bought some Ripple. I bought some Ripple. I know I saw that. I bought some Ripple. I was gonna buy some IOTA. I really wanted to buy IOTA, and holy moly, let's refresh all of this stuff right now. And you know what really happened? Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, you know what really happened? A lot of people sold, but it was the best time for us. The best time for us who were holding and wanted to buy more because we ended up holding. Yeah, we took those losses. We took those losses. I really want to swear, but I can't because we have to keep it kid friendly. Kid friendly. So I took those losses and I bought more. I bought more. That's right. We bought more. We bought more. Boom. Boom. Yeah, it's 7 a.m. Wake up, neighbors. Happy Christmas. Buy crypto. Buy crypto. I don't want the fire department being called. Okay. Okay. I'm just saying. Oh, I didn't put my vest on. Wow. Just don't get emotional about this stuff, right? You really was I getting emotional there? No, nah, I wasn't getting emotional. Don't get emotional, guys. Really, don't leave your emotions at the door. But when you see the numbers going up, you're like, you just want to buy more, right? So remember, leave the emotions at the door. When prices drop and everybody's like, sell, 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 maybe sell some of it if you profited a bunch, because no matter how much crypto you have, you still have to pay the bills in fiat. I get it. You can pay with like a 10x card and all that. But it's always good. My personal policy, have $10,000 in fiat, $10,000 or more in fiat currency. As soon as you have $10,000 or more in fiat currency, what kind of apartment are you living in, right? Hopefully it's not a $5,000 a month rent. Hopefully it's like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, even $4,000 a month rent. So at that point, you're still good for the next like 2 months, 2, 3 months, 6, I don't know, a year maybe, possibly. Holy moly, what's going on with those? Anyways, so worst case scenario, you have a month in advance of fiat currency that you're able to hold. Everything else, just put it into crypto because right now, even if it is a bubble, let's address that, right? Even if it is a bubble, because there's a lot of people who are like, screw Bitcoin, it's gonna crash, it's gonna be $0, everything's gonna get destroyed. Well, what? Nick, hold up. I'm reading some of the comments. Nick, would you make? I did discuss that on my other channel. I've never certainly done that. However, I did run my own site, but anyways, that's not cryptocurrency related. Maybe for Bitcoin though. But those people are just hating because Bitcoin. I'm just kidding. Do you think those? I'm not. I'm just. Do you think? Do, do you think Bitcoin will drop? Do you still live in Poland? I do live in Poland, but most likely I'll get a second place in Mexico and a place in Colorado and Japan and Mars, and we're just gonna buy it all up because you invest that cryptocurrencies into real estate. No, but seriously, for those of you who are tuning in and you're just listening to this crazy guy, what? Hi, Oscar! Oscar! Hey, hey, I'm walking on sunshine. Wow. And then just like emotionless. American Psycho. Get the okay. Get the war drums ready, guys. Get the war drums ready. It is siege time. It is Christmas Eve. Christmas is coming. New Year's Eve is coming. What are you to do? Oh, oh. You're not crazy. You're just a little eccentric. What I'm trying to say is, guys, it is good time to buy right now. What? Like what? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Like with the markets, I do. With other stuff, I don't know what's going on. But let's reload everything right now. The market cap is at $550 billion. When I got off my plane, it was $480 billion. It dropped $200 billion. It dropped $200 billion. And then it fluctuated towards up $600 billion. Then down again. Then up. Then down. Then up. And a normal person doesn't know what the heck is going on. You're freaking out. I know plenty of people. I know what? Oh. Hi, Oscar. We all use each other. And I really want Sake Substance to join Steemit. I really want him to join Steemit. Anybody who hasn't joined Steemit yet, Steem dollars are currently inflated. It's an interesting little thing. I'm going to go further into it. There's a lot of good investments. Litecoin opinion. I do have some Litecoin. I bought some Litecoin. I'm holding Litecoin. From now on, as long as I have more than $10,000 in fiat currency in my account, and I'm not spending it on stupid stuff, I just have it right there. It pays the bills, whatever. More keeps piling up. Whatever else I'm going to throw into cryptocurrencies, or I'm trying to get paid into cryptocurrencies, I'm just holding it for a year most likely, or a couple months. Should I buy now, or should I wait a little bit more for more price drop? Here's what you're supposed to do. Put in limit orders. So you're not waiting. You're like, oh, I don't know. Screw Christmas. Screw that. Screw this. I'm just going to, like, listen, I'm not saying you should completely forget about your family and your life. I mean, you probably should, but you can't win against the bots. And there's plenty of bots. So how are you to be prepared when Bitcoin suddenly goes from there to like there? I mean, a pullback was expected, right? A pullback was expected. And if you look back through my previous videos, I never said Bitcoin's always going to keep rising 100% all the way. I did warn that it's a little, like, you got to be careful about this. When Bitcoin rises that much in a week, in a month, over the past couple of months, of course there's going to be a pullback, but there's still more momentum coming in. So for every single time it goes up a huge amount, it will pull back a little bit, and a huge amount, and it will pull back a little bit. And maybe there's going to be a bear market. A pullback hasn't started. Well, if that, I mean, it depends on what we're looking at. Maybe it's a small little pullback. If you're talking about bull and bear market, well, maybe it's not a bear market just yet, but a bear market could be looming just around, or just as equally, there could be a bull market continuation for the next couple of months. Thoughts on Power Ledger? So Power Ledger was an incredible investment. It got, what was it, 34 million Australian dollars. It was one of the largest investments that just quickly killed it. And from there, it went from, well, pretty much, what was it, like 10 cents or 15 cents when it first hit markets? And then it went up to 90 cents. What's it at right now? I'm kind of curious. I didn't invest in Power Ledger, but I probably should have looked. It's at 95 cents. Holy moly. It passed $1. It passed, wow, $1.22. Oh, wow. $1.22. Holy moly. There are so many opportunities still. There are so many opportunities still with ICOs and smaller cryptocurrencies. But here's what you do. First goal, try and invest a little bit into crypto. Try and invest a little bit, play around with it, and you have low risk and high risk investments in cryptocurrency itself. Now, cryptocurrencies altogether, they're high risk. What's up? Listening? Okay, so thanks for reminding me. Someone just threw in a comment about $200 in cryptocurrencies. Is it worth it to put $200 into cryptocurrencies? Nick, what? What? I always seem to bet on the wrong. Uh-oh. Alec, no, I'm not. I am, wait, oh, my zipper was undone. Okay, we're good. We're good to go. I always seem to bet on the wrong horse. Kilbinobi, here's what you have to do. Hold up. Okay, you can't really see that my zipper was undone. There we go. If you have $200, throw $10 here, throw $10 there, throw $10 there, throw $10 there, throw $10 there. You see what I'm saying? That means even if 90% of those investments you lose, there will be that one investment that pops up. And if it doesn't, throw in another $200 and throw in another $200. Now, of course, learn from your mistakes, so it's not just like gambling. Oh, totally. Uh-oh. To test things out, why are you learning a small? Yeah, so it's all about learning to test. If you have $200 or $100 or $500, here's the thing that's different than the stock markets. The fees are really, really tiny. So even if you lose it, as long as you have a job, as long as you have a low risk business, you either work for somebody that's secured, you either work. Oh, that's a good question. Where are my glasses? I don't even know. If you have a low risk business, you have your own company, or you work for somebody else, and you're also doing cryptocurrencies, high risk, that's good because this low risk business will fund the high risk business ventures, and then you can divide the high risk. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I know you're getting really excited for me to read more questions, and I'm really excited to read these questions. All right. Just keep it down a little bit because I'm getting distracted. So, because it's a little bit difficult, I'm just saying. We have an assistant. No, just kidding, girlfriend. Virgin. Ahmed, what did you invest in? I'm a virgin. Oh no! Wait, camera's out. Wait, camera went out. Wait. Camera's down. Camera's down. Man down. Ship down. Oh, okay. Wait, no, wrong camera. No, come back. Oh, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Okay, I guess that's the show for today. Thanks so much for watching. Camera's down. Ship is down. Here's how I'm going to end it off. Right now, put in some limit orders if you have money to invest with because things are going down. It is a good time to buy. It is a good time to stock up on cryptos. However, if you've made good profits on other cryptocurrencies, take some of that out because I'm saying it's a good time to keep these cryptos for a long time. So what? Search for Deep Onion official music video. We'll see. It's not Steam dollars anymore. Bitcoin is inside the. Oh boy. All right. We'll chat about all that stuff later because the cryptos answer. All right. One more question. One more question. Bro, put down the booger sugar. I don't know what that is. Viren said, I don't know what that is. I'm throwing 10,000 on Bitcoin. Gerardo Cortez, good luck. Thoughts on Tron? Well, hopefully Tron continues to rise. Currently, I have $230 in Tron. I have a couple friends who have, I don't know, like 700. No, they have like 800 or 900 currently out of Tron. Hopefully, we all make some money out of it. Worst case scenario, I'm going to sell it for a profit at 4.5 or 5, whatever it is. I think it has some potential. I'm going to hold it for a year. Maybe if it unless it rises really quickly, which it could. Maybe it rises a month. But with other stuff, I mean, again, it's a good time to buy. Most likely, most of these things, as long as you hold on to it for a decent amount of time. So, anyways, my name is Mike, and yeah, we have to go because technical difficulties. And I'll show you my assistant one day soon. So, no, soon. She's cute. All right.